Still the Vista Gemstone. Guess who's back for round 2? It's me, baby. Yeah. Anyway, guys, why should I be the one? Come on. I want to bring a lot of energy, a lot of fun, a lot of rawness, and a lot of energy and everything that's going to count in the background to Gemstone. And entertain you guys, of course. You guys are the crowd. Come on. Anyway, this week I'm going to be doing a special song by... My grandparents knew it through Heatwave. And then my parents knew it through Louis the Vandress, and I'm hoping you guys will know it through me. Yeah, it says always and forever. Always and forever, each moment with you is just like a dream to me that somehow came true. And I know tomorrow will still be the same, 'cause we've got a life of love that won't ever change. And every day, love me your own special way, melt on my heart away with a smile. Take time to tell me you really care. Yeah, we'll spend tomorrow together. I'll always love you forever. Bet you didn't see that one coming, but that's what I'm talking about. Vote, vote, vote. Love, peace,